students. Today we will solve the exercise 2.3. The first question is divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. So here you have to divide the polynomial px by gx and you have to find quotient and remainder for each and you have to write the answer. So in first part, px is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and gx is given x square minus 2. So you have to divide this polynomial by this. In first part, the px is here x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. It is divided by x square minus 2. Then see here, the first term of divisor is x square and first term of the dividend is x cube. So here you have to make the power of first term same. So here x square, it is one power less than x cube. So here the table should be x times. So here x should be multiplied in divisor. It will give x into x square means x cube and minus 2 into x, that will be minus 2x. So here you have to write down the term below the like term. Here 3x square is here, so here you have not to write down the 2x. You have to write down 2x below the 5x. So here after the table you have to subtract it. So here the sign will be changed. It is minus sign, it will be plus, and it is minus sign. So here x cube minus x cube is cancelled out. So the minus 3x square will be copied down here, minus 3x square, because there is no term of x square. So it will be same. And here 5x plus 2x will be 7x and minus 3 is as it is. Now here the first term is x square and here also the term is x square. So you have to make equal coefficient. So here the coefficient is minus 3. So you have to take the table minus 3. Then the minus 3 is multiplied in both the term. It will give minus 3x square and plus 6. So here you have to write down it below the like term. So minus 3x square, here minus 3x square. When subtracted, then sign will be changed and it will be 0. Then here plus 7x and here minus 3 and minus 6 will be equal to minus 9. So see here the 7x having the less exponent than the divisor. So here the exponent is less than the divisor. So table will not go in this term. So here the process is stopped. And here the quotient is x minus 3 and 7x minus 9 is the remainder. Now in second part, px is given x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 and gx is given x square plus 1 minus x. So here you have to write down this in descending order term, descending order of exponent. So here x square, then minus x plus 1 at last. So here divide the px by gx. So here the first term of the dividend is x power 4 and first term of divisor is x square. So here the table will be x square times it will be table. So here x square into x square will give x power 4 and x square into minus x will give minus x cube. So here term is not of x cube. So here you have to write down in between these two terms minus x cube. Then x square into 1 will give x square. Here is the like term of x square. So write down below it. So on subtraction, the sign will be changed. It is minus x square, minus sign will be plus and here plus sign will be minus. So here first term is cancelled out and second term is x cube, then minus 3x square and minus x square will be minus 4x square and 4x plus 5 is as it is. Now the first term is x cube, so you have to make the equal power. So here that quotient will be plus x. Then x into x square will give x cube. Then minus x into x will give minus x square. And then plus 1 into plus x will be plus x. So after subtraction, the sign is changed. So first term is cancelled out, and here minus 4x square plus x square will give minus 3x square, and here 4x minus x is equal to plus 3x, and plus 5 is as it is. Then here the first term you have to make equal, the power is same, so you have to only coefficient to make equal. So here minus 3x means minus 3 is stable, so minus 3 is multiplied here, it will give minus 3x square, minus minus plus 3x, then minus 3 into 1 will give minus 3. After subtraction, the first term is cancelled out, and second term is also 3x minus 3x is cancelled out. So here plus 5 plus 3 will give plus 8. So here is no term of x, so the table will not go up. So here the process is stopped. So here quotient is x square plus x minus 3, and remainder is 8. Third part, divisor is x power 4 minus 5x plus 6, and dividend is x power 4 minus 5x plus 6, and divisor is minus x square plus 2. So here make the first term equal. So here table is minus x square into minus x square will give plus x power 4, and then minus x square into plus 2 will give minus 2x square. So here after subtraction, the first term is cancelled out, and here minus 2x square will be plus 2x square. So here plus 2x square and minus 5x plus 6. Now make the first term equal here. So table will be minus 2, because here is minus x square, so it will be multiplied by minus 2 will give 2x square plus, and minus 2 into plus 2 will give minus 4. Then here after subtraction, the first term is cancelled out, and there will be remainder minus 5x plus 6 plus 4, 10. So here the exponent of the remainder term is less than the divisor, so here the process is stopped. So here quotient is minus x square minus 2, and remainder is minus 5x plus 10. In question number 2, check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. Here, as you know that when a number is factor of the other number, then on dividing the number by a smaller number will give the remainder 0, because here if it is a factor, then it fully divide the number. So here also we will follow the same process. So here we will divide the bigger polynomial by the smaller polynomial. So here the first polynomial you have to check it is a factor of the second. So here divide the second polynomial by the first polynomial. So here dividend is 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12, and the first polynomial is t square minus 3. So here you have to divide this polynomial by this polynomial. So here you have to make the first term equal. So here coefficient is 2. So there will be a table of 2 into t square. Here is t square, here is t power 4. So there will be t square. So the table is 2t square. Then multiply 2t square to divisor, you will get 2t power 4, and then minus 2 3 is 6t square. So t square term is here, so you have to write down this bit below the t square term. You have not to write here. So here after subtraction, the sign will be changed. So here plus sign is minus, and minus sign will be plus. So here first term is cancelled out. Then after subtraction you will get 3t cube. Here minus 2 plus 6, that will give plus 4 plus 4t square minus 9t minus 12 is as it is. Now you have to make this term equal. So here t square, here is t cube. So t will be table and coefficient 3. So here plus 3 is table plus 3t. So you have to multiply 3t in the divisor, you will get 3t cube minus 9t. 3t cube minus 9t. So here also you have to write down 9t below the like term. So you will get the first term cancel out. Then 4t square here is cancelled out. Then minus 12. So here you have to make equal the first term. So you have only coefficient. T square is same. So here plus 4 is table. So plus 4 into t square minus 3 will give 4t square minus 12. Then after subtraction, both term is cancelled out. So here remainder is 0. Because here remainder is 0, so here t square minus 3 fully divide the polynomial. So t square minus 3 is a factor of the second polynomial. In second part, the first polynomial is x square plus 3x plus 1, and second polynomial is 3x4 plus 5x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 2. So here you have to divide this polynomial by this polynomial. So using long division method, you will get here. So here first term of divisor is x square. Here is 3x power 4. So you will have to make the coefficient equal. You will get in quotient 3 and x square, 3x square. So here if you multiply 3x square in the divisor, you will get 3x power 4, then 3 3 is 9x cube, then 3x square. So here you have to write down all the terms below the like term. So after subtraction, the first term is cancelled out, and in second term 5x cube plus here minus 9. So plus 5 minus 9 will give minus 4x cube. Here minus 7 minus 3 will give minus 10x square, and plus 2x plus 2 is as it is. Now here you have to make the first term equal. So the coefficient is here minus 4. So you have to take the table minus 4 and x of 1 power. So here after multiplying minus 4x in the divisor, you will get minus 4x cube minus 4 3 is 12x minus 4 1 is 4x. So after subtraction, you will get the first term is cancelled out, and then minus 10 here is plus 10. So you will get plus 2x square, and here plus 2x and plus 4x will be 6x, and then plus 2. So here you have to make the first term equal. So you have to take the coefficient 2 here. So in the table quotient is plus 2. Then multiply 2 in the divisor, you will get 2x square plus 3 2 is 6x plus 2 1 is 2. Then it is the same as the above terms. So here all the terms are cancelled out and remainder is 0. Since here remainder is 0, hence the first term means x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of the second polynomial. In third part, the first polynomial is x cube minus 3x plus 1, and second polynomial is x power 5 minus 4x power 3 plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So here you have to divide this polynomial by this. So on dividing, you will get here the quotient x square minus 1, and after the second term you will get here the remainder as 2. Remainder, since here remainder is not equal to 0, because remainder is 2, it is not equal to 0. So the first polynomial is not a factor of the second polynomial. In third question, it is similar to example number 9. Here obtain all other zeros of 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. So here, since root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3 are two zeros of the polynomial, hence x minus root 5 by 3 and x plus root 5 by 3 are two factors of the polynomial. Since these are two factors of polynomial, so here we will multiply these two, x minus root 5 by 3 into x plus root 5 by 3, here x minus a into x minus b, that is equal to x square minus b square. So it will be equal to x square minus root 5 by 3 whole square will give 5 by 3. So here x square minus 5 by 3 is a factor of the given polynomial. So here two factors are merged into one factor. So here x square minus 5 by 3 is a factor of the polynomial. So if we divide the given polynomial by this factor, you will get the another factor which is the quotient of the division, and that quotient will contain other factors. So here we will divide the given polynomial 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 by x square minus 5 by 3. So on division, you have to make the first term equal. So here you will get the coefficient 3. So here 3 is the table, and here is x power 4, here is x square only. So here is also x square. So the table will be 3x square. On multiplying 3x square in the divisor you will get 3x power 4, then minus 3 into 5 by 3 will give 3, 3 cancel out, so there will be only 5x square and minus, so it is minus 5x square. So here you have to write down this term below the like term x square. So after subtraction you will get the first term cancel out and the second term 6x cube is as it is, then minus 2 and plus 5 will give plus 3x square, then minus 10x minus 5. So here also you have to make the first term equal. So here coefficient is 6. So you have the table 6 and it is power of 3. Here is power only 2. So you have 1x power here. So the table is plus 6x. On multiplying in divisor you will get 6x cube and 6x into 5 by 3 will give 3 to the 6, 2 5 the 10, means minus 10x. After subtraction the first term is here also cancelled out, so you will get 3x square and its third term is also cancelled out here, so you will get only 5, 3x square minus 5. Then the table will be 3 because here is coefficient 3 and power is same of the variable, so plus 3 on multiplying will give plus 3x square and here 3 cancel out, it will be minus 5. So above these both the terms are same, so on subtraction you will get 0 and here also you will get 0. So here the remainder is 0 because this is the factor of this polynomial, so remainder will be 0. So here remainder is 0. So as you see, by the rules of division, the dividend will be equal to the divisor into quotient plus remainder, because remainder is 0. So it has these two factors, x square minus 5 by 3 and 3x square plus 6x plus 3. So here taking 3 common in the second polynomial, you will get 3 common and x square minus 5 by 3, then second term will be into bracket x square plus 3 to the 6, 2x plus 1. So on factorization, x square plus 2x plus 1 will be equal to x plus 1 whole square, means a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. B square means 1 square 1. So here 2ab, 2x into 1 to 2x. So on factorization the polynomial will be equal to 3 into x square minus 5 by 3 into x plus 1 whole square. So this was given as a factor here. The factor of x square minus 5 by 3 was given. So here roots will be root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. So you have to take only consideration of x plus 1. So x plus 1 square is a factor of the polynomial, and for zeros x square plus 1 will be equal to 0. Hence it will give x equal to minus 1. So here x plus 1 is coming 2 times. So x equal to minus 1 zeros will be 2 times. So 2 other zeros will be minus 1 and minus 1. So all the zeros of the polynomial are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3 and minus 1 and minus 1. In question number 4, on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx, the quotient and remainder are x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Then find gx. So here let the dividend polynomial px is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 and the quotient polynomial qx is equal to x minus 2 and remainder polynomial rx is equal to minus 2x plus 4. So here you have to find the divisor polynomial gx. So here you have to use the division algorithm. So by division algorithm, px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. So here you have to substitute the values which are given. So here px is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, that is equal to gx is not given, into qx is x minus 2 plus remainder rx is minus 2x plus 4. So here x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 you have to take on the left hand side, then it will be minus 2x will be plus 2x and plus 4 will be minus 4. So here on adding these terms you will get here x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2x will be plus 3x here plus 2 and minus 4 will be minus 2. That is equal to x minus 2 into gx. So you have to find here gx. So gx is equal to this divided by x minus 2. So here you have to follow the long division method for division. So here x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 is divided by x minus 2. So on division you will get the here first quotient x square, because here power is 3, here is only one power, so here it will be x square. So on multiplying here it will be x cube minus 2x square. On subtraction it will be, the first term is cancelled out and minus 3 plus 2 will be minus 1. So minus x square plus 3x minus 2 is as it is. Then the first term you have to make equal. So here is 1 power of x, here is 2. So you have the 1 power in quotient and minus sign. So it will be minus x. Then minus x is multiplied here will give minus x square and minus plus. So it will be plus 2x. So on subtraction the sign is changed. So here first term is cancelled out and here plus 3x minus 2x is equal to x and minus 2 is as it is. So here the term is same and divisor is also same. So the table will be plus 1. So 1 is multiplied here will give x minus 2. On subtraction it will be cancelled out. So here remainder is 0 and this is the quotient. So quotient is equal to the gx. Hence gx is equal to x square minus x plus 1. It is the answer. In fifth question, give the examples of px, gx, qx and rx which satisfy the division algorithm. And in first part, degree of px is equal to degree of qx, means degree of dividend polynomial is equal to degree of quotient polynomial. Since here the degree is same, so the divisor will be a constant. Here divisor means gx should be a constant. So let px equal to 2x square minus 4x plus 14 and gx divisor is equal to 2 and qx. So here on dividing px by gx you will get quotient x square minus 2x plus 7 to divide this. So dividing 2x square by 2 you will get only x square. Here you will get minus 2x and here you will get plus 7 and remainder will be 0. So these are the examples of px, gx, qx and rx. So it is not the only one answer. You will get other answers also. You have to suppose px any polynomial and gx any polynomial, then the answer will be different types of. But here you have to check whether it satisfies the division algorithm or not. So for checking the division algorithm, gx into qx plus rx, that is equal to gx means 2 into qx is x square minus 2x plus 7 plus remainder is 0. So after multiplying it you will get 2x square minus 4x plus 14 which is equal to px means dividend. So hence the division algorithm is satisfied. In second part, degree of quotient polynomial is equal to degree of remainder polynomial. So here let dividend polynomial px is equal to x cube plus x plus 1 and divisor polynomial gx is equal to x square. Then on dividing you will get quotient polynomial as x. So here multiply x divide x cube plus x plus 1 by x square, you have the quotient x. So here x cube will be equal and the other terms will be remainder. So x plus 1 is remainder and the degree of remainder is less than the degree of divisor, so the process will stop and remainder will be x plus 1. So here see the degree of quotient is equal to the degree of remainder. So here the question is satisfied. So here you have to check the division algorithm. So gx into qx plus rx is equal to x square into x plus 1 remainder. So here you will get x cube plus x plus 1 which is equal to dividend polynomial. Hence the division algorithm is satisfied. Now in third part, degree of remainder polynomial is 0. So here you have to take the remainder only constant term. So here let px is equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 1 and divisor gx is equal to x plus 2. On dividing, you will get the quotient 2x minus 1 and remainder 3x. So the remainder condition of remainder is satisfied here. So now you have to check the division algorithm. Gx into qx plus rx, that is equal to x plus 2 into 2x minus 1 plus 3. Here multiply 2x minus 1 by x plus 2, you will get 2x square plus 4x minus x minus 2 plus 3. Then you will get 2x square plus 4x minus x, that is plus 3x, and minus 2 plus 3, that is plus 1. So it is equal to dividend polynomial px. So the division algorithm is satisfied here. So here we have completed the exercise 2.3, and exercise 2.4 is optional for you. So here optional exercise 2.4, you may solve it or you may not, because it is not for the exam point of view. It is dependent on the cubic polynomial.